Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, tap on advanced and scroll down again. Here we've got special app access, and here this section let's find install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So of course you can change it. Just tap on particular app and tap on the switcher and next to the allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And again, the drive is allowed. Of course, you can also turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually, that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your CUBOT Tablet 10s. Tab 10, sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.